Hello and welcome. My name is Yves Sandfort and I'm going to present to you today how to update the vFabric Hyperic vApp to version 5.7.1. Before we can start the actual upgrade process, we need to start downloading the necessary components from the VMware homepage. For this, we are going to actually visit www.vmware.com, and then personally I prefer to download software as part of the vCloud Suite license because that's the easiest and contains most of the software. However, if you are not entitled to that license and have vFabric Hyperic under a different license, then you might actually need to skip this step and actually download it from any of the other downloads process areas. The only important piece here is you will need to download actually the full-blown Linux version in tar.gz format. And it is quite important that you actually check at the end of the download that your browser does not actually change the file extensions. It needs to be .tar.gz, otherwise the upgrade process will fail. So especially those of you using Google Chrome need to be a bit careful here. Once you have the file downloaded, you need to put it on a local HTTP server somewhere in your network. I'm not going to show that process because that depends heavily on your actual environment. In our case, we will continue just with the fact that we have uploaded the file. Before we actually start the upgrade process, it is best practice to actually snapshot the existing VMs within the vApp. As we cannot snapshot the vApp itself directly from within the vSphere client, we are going to power off the vApp so that both VMs are shut down and we can do a clean backup. So just power off the vApp, it will shut down the VMs, then pick each of these individual VMs and create a snapshot. We are going to call it before upgrade. In this case, once both vApps have been upgraded, actually, you are free to actually start the vApp again because it needs to be running to be able to upgrade the process. And remember, don't forget at the end of the upgrade process, and once you have confirm that everything is working fine, that you remove these snapshots, because otherwise they will grow and your Hyperic installation will not be a lot of fun to work with. Once the vApp is restarted, you need to log into the admin UI of your vFabric Hyperic vApp. This is under https:// IP address of your vApp :5480, and then you use the root account plus the password you defined during install, or if you changed it afterwards. And once you are in there, you go to the Hyperic Upgrade tab to actually show it the file necessary to upgrade. Once you click the upgrade button, the system will automatically shut down the Hyperic servers, run the necessary scripts to update the system, and then it will automatically restart the Hyperic server. Depending on the size of your installation and depending on the database size and the necessary database upgrades, this might take actually between a few seconds and a few minutes until this process is completed. Once the upgrade is completed, you just need to open another browser tab and actually log into the vFabric Hyperic server to see if the upgrade was successful, to see if your agents are still collecting data, and also to validate that it really actually updated to version 5.7.1. And remember, we created a snapshot earlier before, so remember to make sure that you need to actually remove the snapshot now if the upgrade was successful. The other step necessary after this is to actually go into your different systems and into your different agents and actually upgrade your vFabric Hyperic agents, because what we just did was to only update the vFabric Hyperic server. If you are using vFabric Hyperic in combination with the vCenter Operations Manager, then you should also check if it's necessary to upgrade the Hyperic adapter within the vCenter Operations Manager server. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on one of our next videos.